Okay, so this video is to demonstrate the 5th string root sequence and the 6th string root sequence that I was talking about in the other video. If you haven't written it down already, write it down and then start watching this video again so you can play along. So basically what I want you to know is that you can take the 5th string root sequence and you can play C major, you can play D major, you can play E major, and depending on your guitar, because I know you guys all have acoustic guitars, right? Except for Boo Boo and his dad that has the electric guitar. After F, it gets really hard to get up here, because there's an A minor right there at the 12th fret, right? So for the 5th string, again, 5th string root sequence, C, D, and E, and you can try F depending on your guitar. And then 6th string root sequence, if you can't do F on the 5th string, do F here, right? G, A, B flat, because we do have a lot of songs in B flat. And the thing about B flat, let me finish. You can do B and you can do C as well, I believe, because you only go up to the 10th fret there, since it's like 2, right? 2. Yeah, there's an A minor. You can play an A minor here. Again, if your guitar lets you play the A minor. So again, 6th string, F, G, A, B flat, and B. You could do B here as well on the 2nd fret, on the 5th string, right? It all depends on what you get comfortable with. If you like doing this bar chord better here and having your hand all the way down here on the neck, that's fine. If you like it doing it there, that's fine. As long as you play it right? So the thing about B flat, like I was saying, is the other chords, right? G, C, D, A, B, E. We're used to the dots, right? Or they're called inlays. So we're used to the inlays laying out for us where exactly the note is. And the thing about B flat, it's in between the inlays, right? B flat is on the 6th fret, right? Same thing with E flat, because we play the E flat chord too. And then other times with C sharp minor, not in B flat, but you'll have that C sharp minor sometimes instead of over here. But you can just play here using that inlay. Again, it's whatever you're comfortable with, right? So the reason for this I guess shortcut with the 5th string and the 6th string root sequences is really so you don't have to memorize. What is it you don't have to memorize? I don't want to say you don't have to memorize the notes, because that's really important for you to memorize still where every single note on every single string and every single fret is. So what I want you to do is be able to play a major circle, right? So if you took down the sequence, right? If you wrote it down, you can follow along now. So we're gonna go ahead and play the 5th string root sequence, starting with D, right? So you play D, then we go to the minor 2. You see that it's 2 frets up the neck, right? This way is up, that way is down, because the notes get higher this way, the notes get lower this way. So D, up 2 frets to the minor 2, back 2 frets, down 2 frets, right? To the 5, 4 fret jump to the F sharp minor, 2 frets back to the B minor, which is the minor 6, the minor 2. No fret jumps, but you do change the string, and then 5, 2 frets back, and then you finish on the D again, right? So that's the 5th string root sequence. So now we can take, let's do something a little weird, right? Let's do G sharp major, right? So G sharp, you take your E string, F, right? F sharp, G, G sharp. So 4th fret, and play that major chord, right? Right, you play the 1. Here is the 2, the minor 2, right? 2 frets this way. Here you have the 5, and then you have there's the minor 3, right? C minor. And then you have the minor 6, F minor. And then we have the minor 2, the 5, and the 1. I blanked out for a second, but yeah, there we go. So G sharp major, right? And I didn't call out the notes. You didn't know where, what notes we were playing. I mean, I called out a few, but we didn't know what notes exactly we were playing because we don't play them that often. But with the sequence, if you just follow the, just follow that, and it becomes pretty easy to play any major key. If you have any questions, please let me know.